Go. Run.
Where?
One is dead outside the wall.
I'm useless right now. I can't use this.
Why?
It's only fall out.
Yeah.
Outside the wall now. I can't see anything.
Even if you feather the trigger.
Fucking room! Someone give me a frag up in this room.
Which one? That one right there?
In that fucking corner. Wait.
Close or further away?
That's not inclusive.
Closest room? Yes. Closest
Right.
room. If you get in the closest, I'm gonna chase it. I'm gonna chase it.
All right.
I'm chasing it. Hold on, let me get a new mag.
Ready?
Let me get a mag.
I go high, you go low.
Hold on, I'm getting a freshie in there and I'm chasing it.
Let me know when.
I'm good.
Ready?
Yep, get it in there.
Damn, you guys are just fucked up whoever's over there.
Go! I'm on board!
Death to the infidels!
No, you didn't. No, I saw.
I didn't get you. Alright, let's go. Well, no, I mean, I definitely.
Run around the corner. One around the corner, Kevin.
Inside the station here?
Yeah.
Now you're dead.
Sorry.
You got all your own guys, bud.
Where'd that grenade go?
Right there.
All right, cool. Wait, that went off, right?
No, it did not.
What? Yo, Kev, grenade.
Right side.
Grenade is live, dude.
Holy fuck.
Get out of here.
Get it the fuck out of here.
Not in the other fucking room with people. Keep fucking throwing them, bro. Outside this fucking wall, I got a fucking pig!
Yeah. Yeah.
He has to be right. Like along. He has to be. Or like, you know, sorry.
Yo! Yes, medic, yes!
Yo, I'll take him. All right, you want me to pull you out of here?
No.
You want right here?
Another one in there. Another grenade in that back room. I'm gonna.
Into the room across.
Your wife is cheating on you! Right there. What do you fight for? Your wife is cheating.
fuck that.
The Jody's got her! You sacrifice life and lamb!
My grenades are not going off.
You gotta put a nice little. You can't go to college if you're dead!
Holy shit, mate.
One, two. You only got one wife? That's fucking. I say you bitch!
Kevin, dude.
Transplant that tally part for real. You gotta learn it in Muslim.
It's Arabic.
In English. Alright, hey. Alright.
If you guys want, you can defuse those grenades. Alright. One more. Alright, see where that dead dude is? And a live dude just walked up to him. Alright, he's out. Oh my god. I just saw that dude get shot.
You got him, Jake?
He shot a dead dude in the...
That's a good copy on non-conventional forces retrograding from village.
Rip that guy.
I threw 2 thunder beams and neither went off.
We're leaving him, boys. Fuck. Okay, we did such a good job that we gotta get kicked out of our push.
Finally it went off, unless that's new.